What is the area and square units of the triangle formed by connecting the 3 points shown? Let me draw a triangle connecting the given 3 points over here in the xy plane. Let me do it. Now I have drawn a triangle connecting the given 3 points. Now my aim is to get the area of the triangle drawn in red color. Now I am going to draw a rectangle which covers this triangle. Okay, let me do it. Okay, I have drawn a rectangle which covers the given triangle. I mean the triangle drawn in a red color. Okay, now my idea is first I have to get the area of the rectangle. Once I get the area of the rectangle drawn in green color, I am going to subtract the area of this triangle, area of this triangle, and area of this triangle. That is, I am going to subtract the areas of the 3 triangles from the area of the rectangle to get the required area. That is the area of the triangle drawn in red color. Okay, first let's get the area of the rectangle. The formula for area of a rectangle is length times width. Okay, so the length of the rectangle is 8 units and the width of the rectangle is 7 units. 8 times 7, which is equal to 56 square units. Okay, here I got the area of the rectangle. Now let's get the required area. I mean the area of the required triangle. Let me write the stuff over here. That is required area equals to. Now to get the required area, we have to subtract the area of these 3 triangles from the area of the rectangle 56. Let me write 56, which is the area of the rectangle. Okay, now let's find the area of this triangle. We know the formula to find area of a rectangle is base times height divided by 2. So this represents the base of the triangle. This represents the height of the triangle. Here, the base of this triangle is 7 units. The height of this triangle is 7 units, the same. So base times height, that is 7 times 7 divided by 2. So this is the area of this triangle. Now let's find the area of this triangle. For this triangle, we can consider this is base and this is height. So here the base is 1 and height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So base is 1 unit and height is 6 units. Base times height divided by 2. This is the area of the triangle we have over here. Okay, now let's consider this triangle. For this triangle, this is a base that is 8 units and this is height, it is 1 unit. Base times height divided by 2. Okay, here 56 negative 7 times 7 is 49. 49 divided by 2 is 24.5. Here 1 times 6 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 8 times 1 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, 56 negative. Let's add 24.5 and 3. That is equal to 27.5. 27.5 positive 4 is 31.5. When I subtract 31.5 from 56, I am getting 24.5. Therefore, the area of the triangle formed by connecting the given 3 points is 24.5 square units.